Hi, it's Tom here from Roywood Transits. This is a quick walk around video of one of our latest vehicles we have in stock. So in front of us and for sale today, here we have a Ford Transit Custom Limited Series 300 L1H1, so that's short wheelbase, low roof. This is a 130 PS 6-speed manual gearbox, Euro 6.2, metallic orange glow, lovely low mileage, just 10,328 miles, excellent condition inside and out. Ice Pack 21 in the cab, so that's the 8-inch touchscreen display, connect your phone, Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. As you can see, sitting on a 22 plate. It was registered 1st of March 2022. It comes a full Ford manufacturer's warranty, 3 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first, subject to regular maintenance. So limited series, well spec'd inside and out. 16-inch alloy wheels, you get body colour door mirrors, body colour door handles, body colour side mouldings, front and rear parking sensors, you get automatic headlights with LED daytime running lights, corner and fogs, and this vehicle has been fitted with an upgraded driver's door lock. Replaced the Ford one with a stainless steel one. Chrome effect, automatic rain sensing wipers, heated windscreen, and plenty more. So if we open the rear barn doors, inside the back, as it's an L1, we've got just over 2.5 meters of load length. Along the easy clean floor, you've got various tie downs, and you can see this fan has been fitted with a ply lining kit with the addition of LED load lighting and a full metal bulkhead with a load through compartment which can be accessed underneath the passenger seats. The rear barn doors can be locked when they're in a 90-degree position. Just push this bar in. And they also open up 180 degrees. Now into the cab. Again, excellent condition like the rest of the vehicle. We've got a leather trim steering wheel. Leather trim gear knob just beyond that. And then you can see the 8-inch touchscreen. Show you more in just a second. So dual passenger seat with seam storage underneath. Also comes with a fold down table. And then 8-way adjustment on the driver's seat, including lumbar support. Electric windows, power folding door mirrors, automatic headlights with LED daytime running lights, voice activation and audible messaging when you've got your phone connected, automatic rain sensing wipers, and then cruise control with adjustable speed limiter. And then while we're here, we'll just confirm the mileage. 6-speed manual gearbox, so 3 pedals. Then just beyond that, we have the manual air conditioning. You've got the 2 heated seats, heated windscreen, heated door mirrors, and quick clear and quick cool. And then just above that, Ice Pack 21. So a great blend of touchscreen, physical buttons. Connect your phone through USB up on a dash, and you can then access Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, really great feature. And the screen also displays your front and rear parking sensors. So in conclusion and for sale today, here we have a great example of a Ford Transit Custom Limited Series L1H1 in metallic orange glow. Ice Pack 21 in the cab, so 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, ply lining in the back, 130 PS 6-speed manual gearbox, covered just 10,328 miles, excellent condition inside and out. If you have any questions, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you.